So in this video, we're going to set up Mailchimp to test out verifying the email address. So first of all, let's go inside and open our project. So if you go in here, open recent, and then we just go in and open this one. And then what we can do now is we can say PHP artisan serve. Actually, we should wait with that because we need to change the env file, and that requires you to close it down, so there's no reason to open and close it. So let's go inside our user model and let's say implements must verify email. Great. So now we have implemented that up here. Then we need to go inside our routes file, and in here we need to ensure that we create the view for the verify email. So now let's first of all go in and set up the route for it. So we just need to say app authentication route verify true, and then we can go in and create the mailbox, and let's just call this test. Go into the settings, make sure we have the right password and username. The port is alright here, and let's set this to TLS encryption. And then let's go in here and let's go in and close this one down here, and then let's go in and run PHP artisan serve, and this should then run on port 8002. Okay, and then we can just go in here and go in under register route because this is the wrong one, and inside here let's go in and register a new user. Doesn't matter what email it is, as long as it will send it, that we can see it has sent it, then it's gonna work. So now let's go in here. We have the verify email here, so let's go in and click on this one. This will eventually give us a link to here. And now we are actually verified. Now we have already set up the verify email, and if you're in the scenario that you need to set up a custom route that only is allowed if you have your email verified, then you can simply go into Laravel's website here inside email verification, and then we can go in and you can simply find the protected route middleware here. So you can basically just go in and use this middleware, which is then what we call verified, put in the routes you want to put in here. So we can, for example, say home should be put in here, and then this will be protected. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video we will do some work with the notifications and redirection.